So, in conclusion, if I become your school council representative, I will work hard to have more trees planted on our campus, remove all non-recyclables from the school canteen, and raise funds to support children with sophophobia. Thank you for listening to me, and remember to vote Ray!
That was splendid, Ray. A wonderful, well-thought-out speech. Let's give Ray another round of applause. Now, before we vote, we have one more candidate left to make a speech. Kylo, dear, it's your turn. Kylo, dear, when you're ready. Kylo, remember, if you want to be on the school council, you will need to try and persuade your classmates to vote for you.
You will vote for me. That is all.
Miss Porg, Kylo's doing that My Power thing again, where he forces everyone to do what he wants.
We have talked about this, Ray. No one has any such power.
You saw it, Armitage, right? He did that hand thing.
I saw nothing.
Oh, come on. It was so obvious.
You don't know what she is talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
He did it again! Did anyone else see that? Someone else must have seen that.
You have obviously made a mistake and need to stand down as a candidate.
Get out of my head, Kylo. Your mind tricks don't work with me.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
They do.
They don't.
Do.
Don't!
Okay, you two, that's enough now, or I'll have to send you to the talking corner.
I don't want to talk to him. Look, I'm sorry.
Apology accepted.
No, that's not what I was going to say.
Okay now, Ray, time to relax. This whole school council thing has obviously got to you.
It has not got to me, Miss Porg. I'm just enraged that Kylo's cheating with his mind tricks.
Give in to your hate and anger.
What was that, Kylo?
I said I forgive Ray for her hate and anger.
That's very nice of you, dear. Maybe you should vote now. The candidate who gets the loudest applause becomes our school council representative. Who votes Armitage? Who votes Ray? Oh dear, who votes Kylo? Congratulations, Kylo! You're new school council representative.
My rise to power begins!
Imagine an alternate reality where kids are the doctors in hospital. Now, imagine no more. Welcome to Elementary General Hospital, where patient care is child's play. Today, we are going to meet Dr. Flaky. She is a surgeon. A surgeon operates on the human body in the event of illness, injury, or disease. Today is Dr. Flaky's first day as a surgeon. Let's see her in action. Hello there, patient.
Hello, doctor. Do you know what's wrong with me yet?
No idea, but we'll open you up and see what we can find.
Shouldn't I be asleep for this operation?
No, I don't think so. Waste of time, if you ask me. You won't want to miss out on all the fun, would you?
Okay, whatever you think is best, doctor.
Good, let's get started. Nurse, could I have the doo-doo thing, please?
Doo-doo thing, doctor. That tickles a bit.
Doohickey?
Doohickey, doctor. Ouch!
Thingamabob?
Thingamabob, doctor. Ow!
Please keep still, patient. You're making this more difficult than it should be. Thingamabob?
Thingamabob, doctor. Ouch! Are you sure you know what you're doing, doctor?
Of course I do. Now be quiet. Whatchamacallit?
Whatchamacallit, doctor? I'm really not starting to feel well. I want another doctor.
Don't be silly, patient. Another doctor will only do what I've done but waste time putting you to sleep. Just toughen up, okay? Okay, now I've got him fully opened. Let's take a proper look. Binoculars. Binoculars, doctor. I'm finding it hard to see the problem. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner, doctor. Suction. Suction, doctor.
Oh man, this sucks.
Suction off.
Suction off, doctor.
That's better. I can see the problem now. Grab her.
Grab her, doctor.
I think I have a nibble here. Here's the problem. Clearly, this patient has tonsillitis.
Oh no, doctor, what should we do?
Store it away and save it for Christmas.
What kind of hospital is this?
It's Elementary General Hospital, where patient care is as easy as your ABCs.
Binoculars.
Binoculars, doctor.
What are you looking for, doctor?
Fairy lights. They go over the tinsel.
Hello there, I'm Seymour Scuttletush.
And I'm Neva Trustworthy.
And this is MBN News.
Your unreliable news channel.
Breaking news, just in.
Drama at the Women's Handball World Cup as athletes are being accused of cheating.
We are now going to cross live to Medea briefing, who's at the venue of the Women's Handball World Cup. Medea, what can you tell us?
Yes, Seymour. It has been a very dramatic day at the Women's Handball World Cup. I am standing here with athletes complaining about suspected cheating. Why do you think cheating is happening? And what proof do you have?
Some boys are dressed up as girls. There are some new handball players we have never heard of before.
We don't want to name names. There are definitely boys dressing up as girls. Earlier today, I talked with athletes suspected of cheating at these games.
We have no idea what they're talking about. We've trained really hard for this World Cup. Is that our fault we're really good at handball?
Back to you at the studio, Seymour and Neva.
What beautiful looking girls.
Thank you, Medea. We look forward to hearing more about the scandal at the Women's Handball World Cup.
And now, reporting live from outside our studio, we go to Wendy Sunburns for the latest weather report. Wendy, what can we expect today?
Thank you, Seymour. Today, we're expecting a beautiful sunny day outdoors. The leaves on the trees are all types of colors, the sky is blue, and the pretty birds are flying overhead.
And that was Wendy Sunburns reporting live from outside.
Next up, stay tuned for tonight's classic movie feature, Bird on a Wire.